Welcome back, guys. So let's talk about this week. Okay, next week, daily buyers. Okay, next week buyers on crude oil. So first of all, let me talk about how I made over 2k trading crude oil on Friday. So first of all, let me remove all these stuffs. So first, I went on a 1 hour time frame because I swing trade this stuff. Yeah, this thing. So I identified this week because this week is there is a rejection here, so market didn't pull, like price didn't move above higher, so price closed down here with a very massive week and then moved down to the downside. So I mapped out here as my area of liquidity, which is my buy side liquidity first. So here is my buy side liquidity. So market came down, swept the buy side liquidity and came back, then went up again. This actually occurred on September 19th. Then price eventually broke out of the liquidity, the buy side liquidity. Let's go to the forward time frame for better view. So price actually broke out on 27th of September, went up, and then crude oil reached its all-time high of the year. So, and this is another indication of price going down based on crude reaching its all-time high. So I wait for it. I don't trade candlestick pattern, but I saw this little doji candlestick here, and that signifies market reversal. So don't base your analysis on this stuff, chart patterns. So and another thing is that don't be angry on my voice. So kind of feeling my voice is sounding stutty and I'm just tired. I needed to make this video. So once market swept here, and here is now my buy side liquidity have been swept, which is now turned to now this buy side liquidity has been swept and it's now a market structure shift. So I went down to the 1 hour time frame and then I waited for market to pull down. So once market was now pulling down, look at these two momentum candlestick, this gigantic move, this first and second candle. Here was the gigantic move. So I took out this block, this rectangle, mapped this place out as my order block. What is order block? For those that is going to watch this video that don't trade ICT or money or smart money concept, order blocks are zones or areas where institutions, hedge funds, central banks, and so forth execute their position. Like from this price area to here now, we are all trade sell orders were all placed here. So I placed my stuff, my sell order around this zone here, around this middle of here, before this massive push down to the downside, and I mapped out here. This zone is my sell side liquidity. So I'm expecting price to move down from here, because I took this trade here, place my stop loss above here, at this $93.998. Then my take profit is going to be around this zone, which is the 88.78. So I'm expecting price to push down here. So based on this is the technical part of it. So my forecast on crude oil for this month, for October, is that price will push down here to this zone, to this price region, this 88.718 price region. Then eventually price may want to break out. Price will, okay, look at the two things that will happen here. Many buy orders will be placed around this zone, which will create high level of liquidity, and I'm expecting price to push down a little bit to the 88.000 price region. So that zone will be our area of liquidity, or areas where many people might place their stop loss, and it should all be stopped out before a massive push up. So on the fundamental part of this forecast on crude oil is that from November, which is winter season, and also remember that Saudi Arabia and Russia have got supply of crude oil to Europe and United States. So this is actually going to cause a whole lot of demand and little supply of crude oil to Europe and the United States. So once this actually occurs, we're expecting crude oil price to go much higher than this region, this 95.478. We're expecting crude oil to even reach $100 per barrel. So that's actually my forecast. So thank you guys. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the second thing is that if you're looking for the best prop firm that has the best rules, no shady manipulating rubbish, and also they pay out their traders, so check out the link on my description. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.